Okay, so in this video we'll show the location of the fuse box on this 206 GMC Canyon. Most cars have a fuse box right here on the passenger side. This is the passenger side under here, and others have a fuse box on the driver side, right there on that side there on the driver side under the steering wheel. But this car is different. I'll show you the location of the fuse box on this car. Okay, this fuse box is in the engine. So this is the engine of the car. Again, it's a 2006 GMC Canyon, and you can see how this engine is looking, because you can see how much covers, plastic covers. If you look all over the engine, you see how much protection they put in this engine. Is very too much covers. Everything is almost covered, even the batteries. Even the battery is put here. You can see the battery wire here and the battery, but the battery is covered inside this plastic cover. So the fuse box, you see the battery, this is the battery, and this is the fuse box right here. I don't know if you can see it, right here, right next to the battery. The fuse box is also covered in the same kind of plastic, like that's all over this engine. So I'll show you how to check the fuses. So there's a pipe here that goes inside the battery coming here. This is basically just to keep all the dirt from going inside the battery. That's why this pipe is there. But you'll need to unhook it to remove the fuse box. So you can just temporarily unhook it, nothing will happen. And then this is the fuse box right here. You can see there's an arrow here facing this side, and inside here there's another arrow on this side facing this side. So that means this clip, there's a clip here on this side. There's another clip, hidden clip right under here. You will see it if you follow this side, this cover here. You will see the arrow on that side. So basically you push in both, you push this side and the other side at the same time, and this cover will open up. So you push in, then you push in here, then you push the other side in. You see, once you push in like that, this cover will come off and down. You see now, all the fuses are in there. All the fuses are in here. It's a lot of fuses, but inside the fuse box, hopefully you can see. If you look inside the fuse box, the box tells you what every fuse is for. And the reason I was looking for this fuse box is because of the radio. The radio stopped playing, so I'm sure I have a blown. It could be a radio fuse or another fuse. So you have, if you check the radio fuse and it's okay, so you have to basically check all the fuses and replace all the bad fuses. But if you can zoom in here and see all these fuses, they have their numbers and their names and their voltage. Some are 10, some are 15, some are 40, like this one here, the power seat is 40. So you look in here, if anything is not working in your car, this is the first place you should check. Come here in the fuse box and check if the fuse is okay, and go from there. If the fuse is okay, it's something else, but start with the fuse, check the fuse, and you go from there. So again, this video is just to show you the location of the fuse box in this vehicle. And I know some of these fuses are usually inside the vehicle in most cars, but in this car here, these are all the fuses. You can see them. It's a lot of them. It starts right here on this corner here. You can see the purple fuses here, and the big ones here, transmission and everything, and it goes all the way to this other side. So just read inside the box, the cover. Read inside the cover and check your fuse and replace it. You can see the different sizes, 10, 15, 20. So make sure you replace your fuse with a similar fuse. Don't put a different size voltage fuse in your car. If it's 10, you replace with a 10. It's 15, you replace with a 15. So that's the location of the fuse box in this 2006 GMC Canyon, 3.5 liters, 5 cylinders vehicle. So right there, right next to the battery, right there. The battery is inside here. Okay, so hope this video helps somebody, and you can leave your comments or your questions in the comment section, and go ahead and also subscribe for more videos like this. Okay, thank you for watching.